welcome back to the Midwest Monster.
Hi, I'm the Midwest Monster. We're back at you with another Iowa Adventure Day. Kids don't know where we're going. It's a big surprise. I made it even a bigger surprise this time. I put a bunch of destinations into a cup and they drew out and I stuck the destination in my pocket. So that's where we're going. Here we go! So my mom, God bless her little heart, printed off a whole fun packet from the, I think it's the Travel Iowa site. Is it the Travel Iowa site? 99 parks. This is Iowa. Hashtag this is Iowa. So shout out hashtag this is Iowa. This packet, it's kind of aimed to get kids off of devices over the summer, which is kind of my goal with these little adventures, to get them out and about and not locked in their houses playing video games or playing on their phones, whatnot. Because I only have 3 years left with this guy, so we're trying to make some good memories. You're 40, you're going to be like, it was really fun that time we went on that adventure place. And, oh, back to the subject. I get distracted easily.
Yeah.
So, my mama printed out this packet because she's... Anyway, in this packet there's these sheety bobbers. Yeah, I don't know if that's it. But it has all the counties in Iowa. And then, so it's car bingo. So you, on your papers, so the papers, you look for license plates of the different counties, and then you mark it off, and then whoever has the most or whatever wins. That's how we're playing it. I think you're supposed to try to mark off all 99 counties. Because you're supposed to travel to all the parks around the 99 counties, but we don't have enough summer for that. This is how we're doing it. What's happening? Fun fact. Number one.
I won't.
Don't start with the sponsorships either. We're not doing sponsorships today. I was in Iowa called Amber, which is my name. I want to go there because they have a hula hoop tree. I want to see a town named Brandon that houses the state's biggest frying pan.
That is
also, this is Brandon. There is also a town called Harris.
That's our last name.
That's our last name, where the Field of Dreams is. So if y'all don't know what the Field of Dreams is, go rent the movie. Also called Field of Dreams, starring Kevin Costner. Field of Dreams is located in Dyersville. It's the actual film set from the Field of Dreams movie. It's a baseball field in the middle of a cornfield. The famous line is, if you build it, they will come. So I want to see that. Yeah, we were talking about the Liberty Brew and the Mountain Dew Liberty Brew. That it was like an accident, like all their vats of Mountain Dew just fell together and they're like, oh, new pop. Here, we're going to market this for a month as a limited edition. And it's really good, we all like it, and then they're going to pull it off the shelves. Because they have no idea how they made it. It was Sierra wants to go see the world's largest, and this is the world's largest, popcorn ball, which is located in Sac City, Iowa. Iowa, and maybe it's just because I'm an Iowan, but I really feel like this state is very rich with natural history. But we're not doing a very good job of marketing ourselves. Skipping a jump down the road, they have the Heidelberg and Hassel's doing things, the family business. Shout out Supernatural fans. Watch my channel.
Supernatural.
Okay, so yeah, the castles. Back to the castles. So this guy was really into medieval architecture. So he used the front of the buildings and made them look like castles.
So
So have not seen Spider-Man Far From Home, go see it yesterday. If you've seen Spider-Man Far From Home, jump in your time machine. Go back. Go back to opening night and see Spider-Man Far From Home because it is fan-freaking-tastic. Like watching the first 20 minutes and I'm like, oh, Mysterio was the bad guy. Like, he seems like an alright dude. I'd hang out with him.
I got that reference. He sounded like, you're some kind of moron. Hey, moron! That's from the water boy from Crying Out Loud. From Crying Out Loud? What's Crying Out Loud? Is that a new movie I haven't seen? It probably is a movie. It's probably like a Lifetime movie. Crying Out Loud. That's from the water. Featuring people that cry. That's the whole movie. And it's really loud. So the literal translation.
We going on the river.
No, we're
I
not going on the
said
river.
I was Jake from State.
You are Jake from State Farm. You're wearing khakis.
She sounds hideous. She's a guy.
She's a guy. So.
And
Brandon's trying to figure out the destination using Google. Get your kids outside. I'm gonna yell at you. Once again, Siri's taking us out on gravel roads in an unfamiliar landscape. I feel like a pioneer. You feel like a pioneer. It's not a turn, Siri. It's a dead man walking tonight. Karaoke car. It's kind of a pretty little drive, isn't it?
You seem like one of those persons. Did I use that right? Person.
What? What did you say?
I said, you seem like one of those persons.
Those people.
Couldn't you use person in that scenario?
You know, I really don't know. English is funny.
Anyway.
You would think that I would know since, you know, I took all but like 2 courses to get my bachelor's in English, but
Anyway. You seem like one of those people that tries to sing a song but doesn't know the words.
oh yeah. I'm definitely one of those persons. Hi! How's it going? That's like my famous line when I'm feeling awkward. Hi! And I have to do it like that too. You see that? Oh, I got you right there.
And you see impressive, no pets.
No pets. So how do we do this?
You get in the golf cart and you just drive.
You get in the gator.
No, the Ranger, sorry. Not the golf cart.
Oh, this is cool, guys. It's Neato Burrito. Oh, look, there's Angibals.
There's also some pretty
Oh, that butterfly. Did you see that butterfly? Oh, a teepee. Oh, this is cool. Good job. We're not campers. Sierra, this way.
Wait, I think that's candy.
You gonna sign in?
I don't know how to write cursive.
You got Mr. Otter.
Is there a real otter?
Yeah, it's stuffed.
You won't attack me. Come on.
He looks pretty fierce, doesn't he?
Do it.
Don't knock on the glass. That's a
What?
buffalo, Sierra. That's
Ew, I don't like that.
what? It's fur. No. Bones.
Buffalo. Get at me, Buffalo.
Yeah, our thing says 99 parks because we're trying to do the 99 parks, right? Why is the natural reaction to anything behind glass to knock on it? Listen to those birdies and the bees.
Am I invited in? I can come in? Okay. I'm coming in. I think it'd be kind of cool. Yeah, people are spoiled now.